بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful.
Dears, today we are going to continue same lesson of your textbook, lesson number 9, transport. Dears, in our previous lesson we have read about number 1, what is transport, number 2, what are vehicles, number 3, the vehicles which have engines, and the number 4, the vehicles that are pulled by animals. Dear students, today we are going to study about traveling by air, vehicles that travel along the ground by wheels, and traveling by water. Okay, let's start. Our first topic is traveling by air. Dear students, traveling by air is the fastest way to go anywhere. Aeroplanes can transport hundreds of people over long distance in the shortest time. The largest aeroplane today is the Airbus A380. It can carry a full load of 655 passengers. My dear students, for traveling short distances by air, the helicopter is most useful. Helicopters can land almost anywhere, even on your playing field. Dears, in our previous class you have seen few images of vehicles. Everyone knows vehicle is a machine that takes us from one place to another, and vehicles that travel along the ground have wheels. Trains have wheels too, but they move along on tracks or rails. Railway carriages are pulled by powerful engines. The power for these engines comes from diesel, coal, or electricity. Dear students, people who travel a long way sometimes have to cross the sea, a river, or a lake. They can travel by boat. There are many kinds of boats or ships. For example, a ferry, an oil tanker, a container ship. A ferry. A ferry carries people and goods from one bank of river to opposite bank. Number 2, an oil tanker. Ships that carry oil are called oil tankers. A container ship. Goods are packed in containers and are transported in container ship. My dear students, boats are also used for sports and adventure. A speedboat moves very fast over the water. Dears, ships have huge engines. You can see the pictures on the screen. All the pictures shown here work by specialized engines. But can you see some boats like a canoe, a raft, and rowing boat? These are the boats that have no engine. Do you know how they move? They work manually with the help of paddle. Dear students, today we have finished our chapter. I hope you understood today's lesson. Meet you in our next class. Till then, Allah Hafiz.